Purifier seal ring damaging continuously even after replacing with new. What could be the possible reasons? This is a serious operational issue. If the main seal ring, the large O-ring between the ball body and the ball hood, or the distributor seal is damaging repeatedly, it usually points to an underlying mechanical problem rather than a defective spare part. Here are the possible reasons for continuous damage to the seal ring. Mechanical alignment and ball height. Incorrect ball height. If the vertical spindle height is not set correctly, the ball components may not sit perfectly. This can lead to uneven compression of the seal ring or pinching during assembly. Worn vertical spindle bearings. If the neck bearings are worn, the ball will vibrate or wobble at high speeds. This eccentric movement causes the seal ring to rub and overheat, leading to rapid failure. Surface condition of the ball. Rough sealing grooves. Inspect the groove where the seal ring sits. If there is pitting, corrosion, or old scale or carbon deposits that weren't cleaned properly, the new seal will not seat evenly and will get cut under pressure. Burrs or sharp edges. Use a fine emery paper to check for sharp edges on the ball hood or body that might be shearing the seal during the tightening process. Assembly errors. Lack of lubrication. If the seal is fitted dry, it can twist or friction burn during the first few minutes of operation. Always use the manufacturer recommended silicone grease or molykote. Over-tightening the ball. If the ball is tightened beyond the assembly marks, using too much force on the tightening hammer, the seal ring can be crushed beyond its elastic limit. Operating water issues. Abrasive particles in operating water. If the operating water, used to close the ball, is dirty or contains sand or scale, these particles can get trapped between the sliding ball bottom and the seal, acting like sandpaper. High operating water pressure. If the closing water pressure is too high, it might exert excessive force on the sliding components, causing the seal to deform or extrude. Chemical and thermal factors. Incorrect material. Compatibility. Ensure the seal ring material, wheaten, nitrile, etc., is compatible with the oil being purified. If the oil temperature is too high, example, above 98 degrees Celsius for HFO, and the seal material is low grade, it will harden and crack. Chemical cleaning agents. If the ball was cleaned with strong chemicals that weren't rinsed off, they can attack the rubber of the new seal. Direct answer to surveyor. Sir, if a purifier seal ring is damaging repeatedly, I will look beyond the seal itself. First, I will check the ball groove and sealing surfaces for any pitting, scale, or sharp burrs that could be cutting the ring. Second, I will verify the ball height and bearing condition. Excessive vibration or incorrect alignment will cause the seal to rub and fail. Third, I will ensure proper assembly procedures, specifically that the seal is lubricated with the correct grease and that the ball is tightened only up to the alignment marks to avoid crushing the seal. Finally, I will check the operating water quality for abrasives and ensure the oil temperature is within the limits of the seal material.